Mga kapatid, ako'y nagagalak na batiin kayo lahat dito sa ating anibersaryo dito sa Jensa. At alam ko naman na talagang you are doing so much for the service of God. So it's a great joy. Talagang tunay na kaligayahan natin na kayo ay nagkakasama-sama. Sayang wala ako dyan. Pero alam ko na talagang maligaya tayong lahat because we fully trust in Jesus and we know na as long as we do whatever is called to us, hindi naman niya tayo pababayaan at patuloy lang sana ang ating ginagawa because there's so much that needs to be done. Yung ating defending the family, yung ating renewing the family, tapos lalo na ngayon about the whole culture of life. Talagang paglalaban natin to because this is the fight of this Virgin. So kasama kayo dyan and that is why it's truly my joy as we celebrate this anniversary. So binabati ko kayo mga kapatid and have a great anniversary and let's continue to do the work for the glory of God. Bless you all.